Hey folks, I'm Matt from Fidel Gastros, and guess what? Guess what time it is? It's brunch life time. That's right, our latest cookbook is coming out tomorrow, and Kai and I could not be more excited. We've put a lot of work in this book. In fact, 3 years worth of work in this book. You're probably thinking, Matt, how long does it really take 3 years to put this little thing together? The answer is yes, it does. First you gotta pick a subject, and then you gotta come up with chapters, and then you have to come up with the recipes, and then you gotta actually write the recipes, and then test the recipes, and then have other people test the recipes, then you gotta make it again so that it can all be shot, and then you have to put all the design together, then you gotta write all the funny stuff. Like for example, on page 122, anyways, you don't care. You want this book because it's fun. Brunch is fun, eggs are fun, bacon's fun. 3 years of brunch life in the making. Thanks so much for watching this. Thanks so much in general for supporting everything we do. And if you pick up the book, please, by all means, tag me in a photo. Let me know what you've made. I'll definitely love to see it. I'll even write you back and be like, good stuff, dude. And we can go from there. And if you're ever in the city, please bring the book. If you're in Toronto, bring the book by. I'd happily sign it for you. Thanks so much for watching again. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to buy this book right now online, we've put a couple links down in the description for you to just play around with. All right? Alright? Alright.